How to create a Roblox account on your phone. If you want to create a new Roblox account on an iPhone, Android, or iPad, follow these steps. Step 1. Download and open Roblox One. Install the Roblox app from the App Store, iPhone, iPad, or Google Play Store, Android. 2. Open the app and on the welcome screen, tap Create Account. Step 2. Enter your birthday 1. Select your month, day, and year of birth. 2. Tap Confirm Birthday to proceed. Step 3. Choose a username 1. Enter a unique username. It should not be your real name. 2. It must be 3 to 20 characters long and can include letters, numbers, and underscores. 3. If your chosen username is taken, try adding numbers or modifying it until it's available. Step 4. Create a password 1. Enter a strong password with at least 8 characters. Avoid simple or guessable passwords. 2. You can tap the keychain icon, if available, to generate and save a secure password. 3. Copy and paste the password if needed to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Select your gender, optional. You can choose male or female or skip this step. Step 6. Finalize your account 1. Tap Create Account. 2. Once your account is created, you'll be directed to the Roblox homepage. 3. You can start playing games immediately. Additional step, optional. Add an email or phone number. At the top of the screen, you'll see an option to add an email or phone number for account recovery and security. This step is optional, but it's recommended in case you ever need to reset your password. That's it. You're now ready to explore and play games on Roblox. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.